Today, I'm on my way to the majestic Noor Mahal Hotel, which is located on the outskirts of Delhi. Embracing India's rich heritage, Noor Mahal is styled after the royal palaces of the Mughals and Rajputs. It is here that I'm going to indulge into a grand royal feast. So this is Noor Mahal Palace, my home over the weekend, a hotel that's taken every bit from the architecture of the Mughal and Rajputana era. Guys, Noor Mahal is beautiful. I'm really looking forward to explore what this palace-like hotel has to offer, and also really excited about the royal feast that I've been promised I'll be treated to. So Chef Andy, please let our viewers know why is this Rajasthani cuisine so special to Noor Mahal? Also, क्या-क्या आप सर्व करने वाले हैं आप इस cuisine में?
नूर महल एक पैलेस स्टाइल में पूरा पैलेस है। इसके अंदर हमने राजस्थानी जो कुजीन रखी है, जो वहाँ के राजों की जो राजपूतों की डिशेस थी, वो हम यहाँ पे स्पेशली प्रोवाइड करते हैं।
लवली। और क्या-क्या है
इसके अंदर? जैसे लाल मांस, सफ़ेद मांस, कैर सांगरी, बेसन के गट्टे हैं और चूरमा हो गया।
Lovely. I can't wait to dig in. I just can't. This is so appetizing. Wow. This looks delicious. Thank you so much. These are just the appetizers. I wonder what the thali looks like. We're just starting off. I'll start with the chicken tangri. This chicken tangri has been marinated to perfection. The paneer mewari looks very interesting. Let's take a bite of that. This paneer has a very interesting tangy twist to it. I'm going to complete all the 3 pieces in like a second. Gracing this very royal thali, we have lal mas, safed mask, murg rajwadi, Jodhpuri pulao, and my personal favorite, gatte ki sabzi. Also, I'm really lucky enough to try out 2 different types of dal bati churma and kher sangri. I'll start with the very popular Rajasthani curry, lal mas. I'm going to team it up with bajre ki roti, which is again a very popular combination. Oh wow. Oh wow. The USP of the gatte ki sabzi is its simplicity, but the exotic version of this particular sabzi in the royal authentic Rajasthani cuisine with a generous dose of groundnuts and cloves, they've just taken this sabzi to another level. Absolutely love it. I'm going in for the dal bati churma. Wow, I can just see oodles of ghee. A very popular dish again of the region. This is so good. I'm just going to take some time to come to terms with how good the dal bati churma is. A 3-in-1 delicacy of Rajasthan. The bati here is extremely crunchy, yet it's melting in my mouth. I absolutely love it. The dish is correct to pointy. This has been an absolutely fascinating experience. Right from the food to the palace-like ambience, Noor Mahal was excellent.